How have you been so
Yeah,
far?
yeah, I'm really good. And I was so excited as well.
I am equally excited actually when I saw your message. So I thought, oh, today's session will be good.
Ma'am, so how's
Hmm.
today?
Sorry, your voice is.
How's your morning today?
Yes, morning it is very busy. Today is Sunday. Sunday, everybody at home. So I just finished my breakfast I had, and I managed my kids, and I came here to talk to you. Everything is good.
Okay. You know,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am, today is festival of Saraswati Puja. Do you know?
No, actually.
Yeah, today.
How I forgot it. Actually, I didn't buy a calendar so
Okay.
that maybe that's the reason I didn't see. Hmm.
So I would say like happy Saraswati Puja.
Yes, yes, yeah. Happy Saraswati Puja to you as well. So, have you done worship?
Not yet, but
Mm-hmm.
the puja, the worshipping will be start at 12 o'clock. You can say 12 o'clock
Okay,
will
okay.
be start. Yeah.
So, in school, they celebrated, I think, yesterday. My baby's school, they celebrated yesterday. So, what about your school?
Yeah, at my school also, our students had been prepared. So many organization you can say in order to celebrate that
Mm-hmm.
festival. So
Mm-hmm.
today it will be at 12 o'clock. Yeah,
So, they all gathered there. So, but today is Sunday. So, yet they will be there.
yeah. There is no need to like stay at home. Sunday it doesn't matter. The festival will be there. So
Mm-hmm.
each of them will be reached there for celebrating.
Mm-hmm. Wow, nice. I remember my schooling day when I was, in school. So we used to I used to do a lot fun, and we used to participate lots of things like singing and role play like that activities.
Oh yeah, yes, ma'am. You can say that was a very precious time for each and every person life, and me
Exactly.
as well. Whenever we
Hmm.
remind, it is smile over our face, right?
Yes. See, seeing students, seeing babies, we I always recall that day, like how I was used to do.
Yes, ma'am. Today, I couldn't give you the one compliment, ma'am. Today, you are looking college student. It's a true.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah,
Call the student.
yeah. Because, putting this cap.
Actually, there's too much cold. That's why I have to wear. Yeah.
Okay. But at my place, you can say today is sunny day. That's why
Hmm.
I'm in t-shirts, you can say.
Sunny here as well, but I am in Punjab, and here cold is very much. Because nearby Simla, so maybe that's the reason.
You're right, ma'am. And ma'am, at Simla, I think every year, I think entire year, we are getting winter season, right? Is it
No,
right?
not the entire year. No, no. In Manali, we get Simla is different. Manali is different. In Manali, we get, but in Simla, no, not the entire. In summer season, there is, I think, a lot hot.
Okay. Yeah.
I
But
think
uh,
Simla to Manali, I think 300 kilometer, 3 or 200 kilometers. So it is too rather far. Once I have been there, so I came to know about everything. Otherwise, I used to think Simla Manali is equal.
you're right, ma'am. Little bit, I also thinking like so many people used to say like at Simla you will get entire year so much cold there, and that's why people are looking quite fair, quite white skin,
Uh,
in
yes, hilly places, people they are very beautiful because they get fresh air, fresh food, fresh water. That is not any pollution chemical. Maybe that's the reason once. And yes, there is beauty. We see every time beauty, but for surviving there, it is very difficult. Everywhere, only mountain. So I can say it is very, for me it was very difficult. I have spent it whole day there and it was struggling with my baby.
Yeah, you can you because that that place temperature is quite high, and little baby doesn't bear, right? So
Actually, see, I went last year and there was not a snow in Simla. In Manali, there was snow, but in Simla, there was okay temperature like here, same like there. But the thing is, there is no space. Only a road was there, and other than mountain. So,
hmm,
keeping baby there, it is very difficult. They are always running, down side. So again and again catching them, and it was quite struggling because we should avoid, like that places with babies.
yeah, you're right. You can plan, you can make a plan to visit there, spending time together with companion. For for that reason it's okay, that place. But going with the babies, it would be look, it would be feeling like quite a burden, you can say, right? You feel like, oh my god,
Yes.
how can I manage, right?
Yes, because we have to struggle. And yes, if we, like you mentioned that, and I went with my mother-in-law. That was again a struggle. She was vomiting, and I can't explain how was that trip. It was very struggling trip.
You can say, I think
And
these kinds of are cheap for only for couple and younger.
yes, they do exercise. There is variety of exercise, so they can do like paragliding and that jumping, something, a lot of exercise were there, but we cannot do with older people and with our babies. So it is for them if they are newly married, and if they go with their friends, for them it is okay, but with family I think it is not okay. I didn't enjoy. Even I enjoy this so many places. Actually, I love to visiting. So mostly I enjoy temple and like that places with baby.
Yeah, you can see so many river and sea, got froze, froze out, freeze out, you
Mhm,
can say, right? So
mhm.
there you can get so many people are doing, stuck, skating, skating, na?
Right,
Skating
right.
on snowy surface. It was looking quite attractive and very, what I say, influencing,
Mm.
amazing.
But but it is looking. But if you go there with family, it is not okay. If you go alone with your friends, and if anyone is newly married, so they enjoy their days. For them, it is okay. Because recently
Yeah,
I have been there, where Haridwar and Rishikesh. I think it last week I went there. So there is only mountain in a Rishikesh. I got mountain and baby was bothering, so we didn't enjoy much. But baby, I have to again and again run behind them, so it was again struggling.
yeah, you're right. And ma'am, did you visit Kumbh Mela? Because nowadays I'm getting million of people are going there. Did you go?
It is very near to my home. Kumbh Mela only take 1 hour. I am nearby Allahabad.
Uh,
So these days I often go, take a bath in a Trivedi. I can say I never count how many time I have been there. But these days I avoid because it is too rush, and going with babies, it is trouble. Even they are stopped to vehicle, road vehicle, they stop, so we have to walk 17 18 kilometer there. And who carry baby?
yeah,
So that's reason
and
I avoid it. That's why I went Haridwar for uh, take a secret bath, and then I came. I
yeah,
have
you
Ganga Jal. I have that Ganga Jal, so I put in bucket and I took bath, and that's it, Jai Ganga Maiya.
yeah, yeah, you're right, ma'am. I what I personally think, like this time is not convenient for any parents to go there.
Right,
You can another day where you are not getting so much gathering. Nowadays I'm
right,
getting so many people are grinding self into the so many crowd and facing a lot of problems. This time is not
right.
convenient. right?
right. It is very much crowd. Even they stop train, vehicle, people. They are, struggling there for 8 days, 10 days. They stuck there. So avoid like that places with even kids and older people. I think I say my in-laws, they are ready to go. No, no, I'll go. So I say no, don't, avoid this for one month. Just after 1 month you can go. So they said ki, my mother-in-law said कि अरे फिर पुण्य नहीं मिलेगा, उनका पुण्य लेने मत जाओ वहाँ. you know